Brianna's Bananas Cooking Show. Here we go! Hello everyone, my name is Brianna. Today we're going to try an English breakfast in honor of the Queen. I have my Queen of Everything mug, and I've been trying to do an English accent for about 10 minutes and I cannot get it down, so I'm going to stop now. So anyways, I have some English breakfast tea here because we're going to try a traditional English breakfast. I only have one burner, as you guys know, and I have multiple things to cook. So what I'm going to start with is my apron. There we go. Next, let me get up off this chair. So, traditional English breakfast usually consists of sausages, grilled mushrooms, grilled tomatoes, we got beans, toast, eggs, and something called Bubble and Squeak, which I looked it up and it's like a potato cake with like vegetables and eggs in it. I'm not gonna make all that, so I'm gonna make potatoes and eggs, sausage, mushrooms, beans, and toast. So I'm gonna start with my sausage and mushrooms. Drink some of my tea. I got whole baby Bella mushrooms, and I got 4 pepper smoked sausage. This sausage was just something that I picked out because it looked good. I don't think it's traditional like English breakfast sausage, but I also don't live in England. You can't get everything specific to that. They also have something called black pudding, which I think is made with blood. So I don't want to try that either. Sorry. I'll take a big sausage and I'll cut it up. So I'm just gonna take a little paper towel and like rub off all the excess dirt. I'm also gonna take out the little stemmy part. Okay. I think you're supposed to leave them whole, but I'm gonna quarter them. Let's get the stove going and then we'll cook this. These sausages are browning up really fast. In England, they call them bangers. Let me set these aside. Now I'm gonna do some potatoes. I like to get these frozen ones, the O'Brien kind. That means they have peppers and onions mixed with the potatoes. So nice layer of that. Put some salt on your potatoes. Okay, let me set my potatoes aside. Now we're gonna do some eggs. You can do them however you like. I think I'm gonna do them over medium. My favorite breakfast lately has been lightly cooked hash browns, 2 over medium eggs on top of it, and then you mix them all together, and then like some pancakes or French toast or a waffle. That's like my favorite breakfast lately. If you guys don't know what over medium means, cook it on one side flip it over for a couple more seconds, take it off. So the yolks are still a little bit runny, but the whites are completely cooked. While my eggs are going, I'm going to start my toast. I just have white toast. I think traditionally it's supposed to be like thicker white toast, but I don't really know where to find that. You want to see if I can flip this whole thing? I'm scared. Ready? Oh my God, I did it. That was the scariest thing I've ever done. I did it. That's the best way to flip your eggs though. If you're confident enough to flip them like that, it's better than a spatula, because your spatula is just gonna rip up your eggs. Okay. So I gave that a couple seconds and I turned it off. Eggs are ready. Waiting on my toast. And then the last thing, which is where this video sparked from, this can of beans. So this is like specific to England. You can't find this in American stores. It's this like special teal colored can. But I guess it's got like something different about it. I don't know why you can't find it here. I found it in this little restaurant cafe that we just went to. It was called Annie's Cafe, and it was like England themed. They had like English breakfast. They had like bangers and mash, stuff like that that you can get off the menu. And then they had retail stuff like this and like brown sauce, just stuff that you would find in England. All kinds of weird cookies and stuff like that. So I got this can of beans so I can make beans and toast. Right off the bat, this looks like tomato soup. It smells very tomatoey. It smells like a can of tomatoes. We heat up these beans. I don't know if I'm like allowed to put salt and pepper, but I'm gonna put salt and pepper. It smells even more tomatoey now, if you could imagine that. It just smells like tomatoes. It doesn't smell like spaghetti sauce, it just smells like straight tomatoes. Okay, assembly time. I have 2 plates because I'm gonna have Dan come out here and try it too. So I got my eggs. Potatoes, eggs, bangers and mushrooms, toast. I'm also not sure if you're like supposed to butter the bread. I'm gonna not butter the bread. We'll see how it goes. Put some beans on my toast. Okay, I think we're ready to get Dan out here. Just a second. Okay, I got Dan here.
Hello.
Are you ready to try this English breakfast?
I suppose.
Does it look traditional?
It looks good. It smells good. Want to try one of these mushrooms?
Okay.
The mushrooms are good.
Try some beans on toast.
Guess I'll try it too.
Hmm.
Is it beans on toast?
I want you to try it. What it reminds me of is just tomato soup with crackers in it. I can't even taste like beans. It just tastes like tomato soup.
I mean, I'm kind of here nor there on it. It's okay.
It's okay.
I don't think I would order it at a restaurant. Maybe if it was a different bean.
But this is the bean. The bean of England.
This is the England bean. Well, then I don't know. It's very
Mushrooms are good.
beans on toast. I mean, it is what it is.
It's very beans on toast. It tastes very tomatoey to me.
Mm-hmm. I mean, sausage is good.
I feel like if it was like American style beans, it'd be like more barbecue-y tasting. Or...
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. I don't know what I would do.
Not that. Eggs and potatoes. I eat this all the time, so it should be good.
You know, callback from last year, actually.
Cool. When we did our trying all the hot sauces video, you
Yeah.
should go back and see that.
This is British Red.
We got some British hot sauce. Very traditional. I'd say it's very hearty. There's nothing sweet for me. So I could use some pancakes or something. But at the same time, I don't need to eat pancakes every day.
Sorry that our cat has a cone. If you can hear that.
He scratches at it and licks it. It's pretty healthy with the beans and the meat and the mushrooms, and you're supposed to have tomatoes also. Eggs and potatoes, it seems pretty rounded.
I mean, yeah. I think it's good.
That's your final answer?
Yeah, no, it's good.
It's good.
I actually like it. I mean,
Okay,
the
good.
beans on toast is a little bit different. But, I mean, it's not horrible at all.
I've always wanted to try this, though. I'm glad I got to finally try this. It's very tomatoey.
The tomato soup thing you said really makes sense. It really does taste like tomato soup on a
And crackers.
cracker, kind of. I mean, but that's okay. I mean, that's good.
Yeah. Cool. So if you find a can of beans, Heinz beans, try this for yourself.
Did you tell them where we got it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Annie's Cafe, where they have English breakfast and stuff. Bangers and mash. So yeah, try this for yourself sometime. Thanks for watching, as always. Thanks for trying my English breakfast
It
with
was
me.
good. It was good.
Like and subscribe and share with your friends. And see you next week with another video. Bye.
Bye.